channel. I'm Delilah from the Holistic Enchilada, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the December Petit Vour box, and I'll be reviewing the products that I received in last month's box as well. So first up, I'm going to show you the box. They actually redesigned their packaging and it looks totally different now. So this is what the box looks like. So it's all brown, and then when you open it up, it's got this little message inside, so it's nice. The other one was a little bit prettier, I think, but this is cool. So this month we get 4 products, and it says, with the holiday season in full swing, we wanted to focus this month's collection on a refreshment of the body and mind. So kind of continuing with their winter themes of like resetting and nourishing the body. We've got 4 products. They come out to a total of $70, so that's a really good deal. We have a lip and cheek tint from Connie Botanicals. I've tried this product or this brand before. I think I got a highlighter in one of their boxes like last year or the year before. I love the packaging. It comes in this nice glass container. Whoops. Okay, and then you can see the product. It's like a nice red tint. It's like a tinted balm. So let's see. It's got good coverage. Let's see, pigmentation. I mean, the more I massage it in, the easier it blends, but it's pretty good. I'm not sure if you can see very well with the lighting reflecting on there, but it's nice. So I'll create a couple of looks with that. Okay, for that product, it says, created with nourishing organic ingredients, this unique formula combines hydration and protection with rich mineral colors for a beautiful natural finish on both lips and cheeks. I love multi-purpose products like that, so I'd definitely be getting a lot of use out of this, and I don't have one in this particular shade, like this red. What is this shade called? Anyway, oh, Vamp, that's the shade. And this is a $28 value, so that's great. Okay, second is a natural lip balm. This is from Bali Balm, and it just, this packaging is just so luxe. I mean, it's so nice. It slides out, and you can see. I like packaging like this, like it's really nice, but sometimes, or at the same time, I feel like it's really wasteful. Like I'm just gonna throw all this away, but it's so pretty. So I'm always torn. Like, do I really care about it? I don't know. This is so nice though. Whoa, the lip balm just fell right out. So there's the lip balm in here. And this is, it says, a rich, intensive formula, contains plant oils high in antioxidants, antibacterial properties that absorb quickly and lock in moisture without leaving a waxy film on your lips. So this reminds me of the old school lip balms. Let's see if we can squeeze some out of here, see what color it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it is clear. And I'm just putting some on my hand. It's definitely thick, but it's not waxy like it says. And it smells like cinnamon. It smells nice. It does say cinnamon and burnt orange on there. So again, really nice packaging. This is a $26 value. And I can definitely get a lot of use out of this now in this drier weather that we're having. It'll be really nice. I like that it's totally dried up now on my hand, so it's not greasy or waxy like it said. It just feels moisturized like a cream. So that's interesting. I don't think I've ever tried a lip balm like that, so I'll be using that. Okay, next up is a serum. This is the Sub Rosa Serum from Fifth Dimension. And this is a $9 value. It says refresh and replenish your skin's complexion with a blend of highly concentrated antioxidant and omega fatty acid oils infused with rose petals. Okay, so it hydrates, softens, regulates oil production, and soothes inflammation. This is the product. And let's see how thick it is. Not that thick. I like when they're not super thick. So I'm just going to rub some onto my other hand because I already got a bunch of product on the other one. So you can see it there. And it pretty much soaked right in already. That's nice. It smells like plants with, I don't know, it smells good. It smells fresh. It's like if, like flowers, like a flower bush or something. Because you get a little bit of that plant smell, and I think that's probably from the hemp oil. But it also has some essential oils in it that smell really nice. I guess maybe it's the rose petals, not sure. But I like that it totally absorbed in. It feels nice and soft and moisturized. So excited to use this. All right, and then the last product is really cute. Comes in this little baggie here, and this high card. It says, "You are highborn." This is a roller ball, little mini roller ball. Comes in here, so cute. And the brand is Highborn. So, I can't really smell this, let's see. Oh, there it is. Oh, that smells really nice. It's like, I can't even describe it. It says, "This ritual roller ball will cleanse and clear your mind, infused with Palo Santo and sustainably sourced organic essential oils, Reiki charged crystals, and high vibes. This smokeless blessing," that's nice, "oil will help deepen your self-care regimen." So on this little card that they provided here, it says, "Apply Defumé," that's the name of the oil, "Palo Santo and sandalwood ritual blend to your pulse points. Take a deep breath." And then black tourmaline serves as a protector. Quartz is inside the bottle to amplify goodness. Interesting. It smells really good, and I guess it is Palo Santo that I smell. That smells so nice. I love that stuff. With a little bit of sandalwood. Everybody loves sandalwood. So really nice product. This is a $7 value. And those are the 4 products in this month's box. So remember that I have the link to sign up below, along with your coupon code for 25% off of your first box. And now I'm going to share with you my review of the products from last month. So this is the November box. And I know this video is super late this month because I just got the December box. I think because they were redesigned their packaging. It took them a really long time to get the boxes out, and I got this box on Saturday, like last Saturday. So it's been a week and I was on vacation, so I'm only now getting to filming this. Okay, so last month, kind of have mixed feelings about the box last month. So let's start off with the good. The Leilani Blessed Balm. I already said that in the video before. I haven't even used it because I have the full-size Blessed Balm. I love this product. It's one of my favorites, especially for this time of year. And when I'm traveling, I usually take something like this with a scoop of Blessed Balm in there, and I use it all over, especially as lip balm if I don't have any. It's really nice, very nourishing, smells amazing, great product. So I like that they featured this one. My favorite product is the waterproof eyeliner. I have practiced a lot getting eyeliner on. I'm actually gotten pretty good at it, and I love this one because my issue with eyeliner has always been that because I have hooded eyes, and you know, like this skin here touches up to my eyelashes. Like I don't have a lot of space in between there. Whenever I put eyeliner on, it just rubs off onto the top, and then it just smears all over the place because it's touching. So this waterproof one actually stays in place, which is really great. And I have figured out how to do that little cat eye look and the winged liner and all that. So I really like it. If you take a long time, it kind of starts to dry out from holding it upright. So I don't know if that's a thing with all liquid liners because I've never used one before. This is my first time. For reference, this is Josephine Cosmetics. And so overall, I'm just really happy with this product. I'm glad they featured it. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this one, when I run out. Works great. Okay, the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel Sensitive. I've only used this one time. I just haven't had a lot of time to mask in the last month. I've been so busy. But I did use it that one time and it worked well. It didn't irritate my skin, but I really can't tell you like if I saw any results with it because it was a one-time thing. So I'll have to get back to you about this product and continue using it over time. I think things are gonna calm down now in January, and I'll have more time for self-care because we all know the holidays are crazy. Okay, the last product from last month was the Levito Aromatic Body Lotion. And this one I didn't like because it just smells way too strong for me. I don't really like strong scents. This reminds me of a Bath & Body Works type scent product where it's just there and it lingers for such a long time. It's so intense. So I mean, it says mandarin orange and bergamot, but there's definitely synthetic fragrance in here, which I'm okay with. I just don't like when it's really strong. So I'm probably gonna gift this to somebody or take it to donations or something, because it's really a really nice cream. It moisturizes well, it lasts a long time. I just can't with the scent. It's just way too strong. And I don't know if anybody else agrees with me, but I feel like a lot of people in the green beauty world don't like heavily scented products. So I'm sure other people think that this has way too strong of a scent. But other than that, the other products were great. So yeah, that's my review for the November box. So like I said before, the link to sign up is below. Remember that the box is only $18 a month. It's all luxury, cruelty-free, and clean products. And if you pay ahead, I don't know if it's 6 months at a time or whatever, you can get it even cheaper for $15 a month. And I've got a coupon for 25% off your first box. I love this box because it's so affordable to try all these expensive products that I wouldn't normally buy. So I'm spending $18 to use $70 worth of products, and usually I like all of the products in the box. It's rare that there's one product in there that I'm not gonna get use out of, like the cream. But even with that, I mean, it's worth it for the other 3 products that I did enjoy and I am using on a regular basis. And usually I find something that I really like and I use the whole, you know, the whole product. And if I can afford to get it like on sale or something, I will, but usually I don't repurchase a lot of these things because they're pricey and I can't afford them. So I like that I'm able to use these products that I normally wouldn't be able to afford in a much more affordable way. Even if I'm not gonna repurchase them, I've always got a serum, a face wash, or something on hand that I get from these boxes. So I recommend it for that reason, and especially if you're new to clean beauty or cruelty-free, it's a really great way to, especially if you don't really know a lot of the brands and stuff like that, it's just a really great way to get stuff that you know is going to work well, because they vet their products pretty well. Petit Vour is a really great cruelty-free shop in general, because they've got all kinds of, they've got clothing and accessories and other products too. So it's a great brand that I am happy to support. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite product was if you get the Petit Vour subscription, or if there's anything you're excited to try, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.